Okay, today we're going to look at logging into a Chromebook to do your schoolwork. We're going to use both a school Chromebook as our first example, and then we will use a non-school Chromebook for our second example. If you're using a school Chromebook, if one's been issued to you, the first thing you're going to need to do is add it to your home Wi-Fi. Probably when you open it up, and I apologize for this image, but I'm using a web camera that's not the best. You're going to get a screen that looks something like this. It's going to say network not available. You need to pick your home network, and you'll need to know your password for that network. So I'm going to go ahead here and I'm going to pick a network that I have at my house, and I'm going to type in the password. And it's as simple as that. It's now connecting. It's now connected. This looks exactly like what you're used to at school. It's got the sign-in box. It wants you to put your 700-digit number and hit next. Put in your password, hit next, and you will be good to go. If you're using a non-school Chromebook, let's let this one get turned on. Okay. The first thing we're going to have to do is add you as a user with your school Google account. You may have already been using it at home with your personal Google account, and that's fine, but you'll need to be logged into your school Google account in order to be able to do your schoolwork. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go down here on the bottom left side, and there are several options. The first one is shut down. This next one is browse as guest. This third one is add person. That's the one we want to select. We're going to click that. This box is going to come up, and this is where it's very difficult to see, but this is where you're going to type in your student number, your 700 number, followed by the @ sign, then students with an S at the end of students.hamtramckschools.org. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. After you're done typing in your student number, you're going to want to hit next. It takes you to the password screen. Go ahead and put in your password that you use at school. I'll go ahead and type in this one. Hit enter. It'll take a second. And we're now logged into our Google account. Okay, I have remoted into this Chromebook so it's a little bit easier to see. But let's see. Let's minimize this. So this is your screen you're going to see. Now you're ready. You can go ahead and click this icon. I'm going to go to a new window. And as you see, right here, if you hover, it shows you that you're logged in as Hamtramck into your Hamtramck account. I happen to use one that's called HPS Student. Your student number would show up there instead. And if we go over here on the left, you'll see we've got a drop-down. Bookmarks, these happen to be related to students who are at the high school. I logged in as a high school student. If you were a Tau Beta student, it would say Tau Beta bookmarks. If you were a Kosciuszko student, it would say Kosciuszko bookmarks. You're logged into your Google account. If you come over here to the little waffle, you can access your Google Classroom, your Google Drive. If a teacher asks you to maybe do a Meet session, Meet is here. All your Google apps are up and available. You can save to your Google Drive so you're not worried about losing any work, and you should be good to go. I hope this has been helpful. Give it a try, and good luck.